Hi, today we're going to talk about e-commerce logistics expenses tracker and understand how you can track your e-commerce logistic expenses in one Notion template. First of all, let me quickly turn off my webcam so that you get a complete view of the screen. And this is the particular template that I'm talking about. So in this template, you have got a category section which reflects the different categories for the expenses that has been defined. We have got technology, utilities, and logistics. If you want to edit any of these categories, click on this pencil icon and you can start to edit the values over here in this particular category. Okay. And for every category, we have got a budgeted expense amount, which you can click and you can define the budgeted expense for the use case. And finally, we have the actual expenses, which we have put at the bottom in order to see how much of expenses we have made so far. So for the text side of expenses, if I'm updating any of the value, you can see that it is getting reflected at the top as well. And then there is a percentage indicator to show you how much of actual expense you have incurred compared to the budgeted expense. If you want to add a new category, click on this new page. And if you want to delete any other category, click on this three dot and delete the category if it is not required. Finally, under the summary section, you can see the total budgeted expense, which is being defined from the budgeted expense value over here. And then we have an actual expense, which is being pulled from the expenses side over here. The difference in between the both and the percentage of actual expenses incurred so far. So this is a quick and easy way to track your e-commerce logistic expenses. And if you need any customization for this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.